Hi guys, so I went shopping. Yeah, I went shopping today and this is what I got. I'm traveling to Indonesia, guys, and I don't have any airport outfit, so I decided to buy one for myself. Actually, it's my husband who bought it for me because I told him I needed a new outfit for traveling to Indonesia because it's gonna be my first trip to Indonesia. I needed to have something new. I needed to have a new outfit for traveling. So guys, let's unbox our outfit together, guys. I bought this outfit at the Brown Outlet. It's BO. The initial is BO. The Brown Outlet shop is at Sunway Putra Mall in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So that's where I bought my outfit. So let's unbox it together, guys. Oh, I have also this one. I bought it in another shop. I'll unbox it in another video. And this is the outfit, guys. Yeah, this one is my airport outfit. This is the top. It's like a sweater. I love it because the material is so lovely, and also it has this zipper here. Yeah, I like wearing size large because it makes me feel so free. Yeah, so this is size large and this is how it looks on me. Let me wear it, guys. So this is how it looks, guys. Yeah, so this is the top, and also the trouser is size large. Yeah, it's a two-piece set. So you know, guys, we all love two-piece set outfits, especially me. So I bought this for myself. It's also size large, and this is how it looks. So beautiful, guys. It really looks so beautiful, and it has an initial here, PTF. Yeah, that's how it looks. This is how it is. It has some pockets at the back. It really has nice details, guys. Yeah, you can see how it looks. Yeah, also size large. So when I go to the airport, I'll make a video for you guys so that you can see the full outfit. Yeah, and it wasn't so expensive, guys. Like this one was 59 ringgits Malaysian money, which is almost which is like, so 59 ringgits, it's almost 1,800 shillings for this one. Also this one is 59 ringgits. Like this one was 59 ringgits and this one was 59 ringgits, so like the total was 3,600 Kenya shillings, which is not so expensive, because I'm sure if you buy this in Kenya it will be more expensive, especially those brands like the Home, I don't know how is it called, those two-piece sets from, I think it's called Home or something. Those brands those Kenyan brands, they're so expensive, but this one is really cute, and also the material is really beautiful. Like I like the material, like it's really beautiful, guys. Yeah, so it was 3,600 Kenya shillings for this two-piece set. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to wear on my trip to Indonesia, guys. Hope you will enjoy watching my videos at the airport, because I make some videos wearing this so that I can show you guys how it looks on me. So thank you, guys.